one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
You've been carrying the weight of the last season, the old disappointments, the old heaviness, the things which have clung to you. Even when you've tried to move forward, there's still something which has been pulling you back. But the Lord is bringing you into a place of renewal. He's bringing you into a season of being washed and made new. I see a sandy beach and I see footprints all over the sand. But as the tide comes in and goes out, it's washed completely clean. And the Lord says, I am washing you in this season. I'm making you new. I'm making you clean. Don't be afraid, for the old is passing away and the new is coming. I'm bringing you into that place of transformation, that time of renewal, where your heart will be made whole and new. For I am committed to you. I love you. I delight in you. I'm making all things new. I'm making all things beautiful. Don't be afraid, but trust me and allow me to work. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.